What is adversarial machine learning? Adversarial machine learning isn't about breaking into systems, it's about tricking them. Hackers manipulate AI models by feeding them carefully crafted inputs that cause misclassification. A few invisible pixels on an image, and suddenly a stop sign becomes a speed limit. A subtle tweak in data, and your fraud detection system lets a scammer through. How it works? Attackers use two main techniques. Evasion attacks. They modify inputs like images or text so AI models make wrong predictions. Poisoning attacks. They inject malicious data during training, corrupting the model's behavior. These attacks exploit weaknesses in how models learn patterns, especially in deep learning systems. Even black box models where attackers don't know the internal workings can be fooled using transferability and gradient estimation. Why it's rising in 2025. AI is everywhere from facial recognition to fraud detection. But most models weren't built to defend against adversarial inputs. In 2025, adversarial attacks have increased by 60% across finance, healthcare, and autonomous systems. AI tools make it easy to generate adversarial examples, and attackers now use AI to automate the attack process itself. Who's at risk? Any system that relies on machine learning is vulnerable. Facial recognition can be bypassed with adversarial makeup or accessories. Autonomous vehicles can misread road signs. Medical AI can misdiagnose based on tampered scans. Financial models can approve fraudulent transactions. Why it's hard to detect? Adversarial inputs often look normal to humans. A manipulated image might look identical to the original, but the AI sees something entirely different. Poison data can be buried deep in massive datasets, and attackers can craft inputs that evade even robust models using adaptive techniques. Real-world cases. Adversarial attacks may have been used to bypass facial recognition in airports. Autopilot system misclassified road signs due to pixel-level perturbations, and fraudsters used adversarial examples to bypass AI-based loan approval systems, causing crores in losses. How to protect against it? Defending against adversarial machine learning requires adversarial training, exposing models to adversarial examples during training, input sanitization, filtering and preprocessing data before feeding it to models, model interpretability, understanding how and why models make decisions, certified robustness, using mathematical guarantees to bound model behavior. What's next? Attackers are now using multimodal adversarial attacks targeting models that process images, text, and audio together. AI watermarking and anomaly detection are emerging defenses. But the arms race is accelerating. As AI gets smarter, so do the attacks. Final message. Adversarial machine learning is the invisible war inside your AI systems. If this opened your eyes, hit like, subscribe, and share it. Because in 2025, it's not just about building smarter AI, it's about building resilient AI.